Hello, this is Prashant Singh and welcome to our channel and also welcome to video on how to invest in the stock market for beginners. This is our first video on investment, so any mistake you find then tell me on comment box. I will literally fix it. All the videos is in Indian English language, so easy to understand, and let's move on our video topic. And also this video is categorized into 5 sections, and at last I will give you a conclusion. So let's move on our topic. Investing in the stock market can be great way to grow your wealth, but it can also intimidating, means making you feel fightness or nervousness. If you are just starting out, in this video we will cover the basic of investing in the stock market and provide some tips for beginner. This is actually not a tips, but it is a guidance which I will provide you. So let's with our first section as ever. Understanding the stock market before you start investing. It's important to understand what the stock market is and how to its work. The stock market is a place where publicly traded companies sell shares of their ownership to investors. When you buy a shares of a company XYZ stock, you become a partner owner of that company. The value of your share will go up either down depending on how the company performs and how the market as a whole is doing. For example, when you buy something in the local market, then you see something will be very costlier and something will be very cheaper. Why? Because the production of every product is either depends on your cost. That's why it's cheaper and it's costlier when they are very in this. Now in second section I will explain you the setting investment goal before you start investing. Basically it's important to set clear investing goal. How are you investing for? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or something else? Your investment goal will help you determine how much money you need to invest and what types of investment are right for you. Okay, that's the section second. As usual, you remember it. And now moves on your third section, that is choosing investment. That are many different types of investment you can make in the stock market, including individual stocks, either mutual funds, and exchange traded funds such as NSE, and BSC will be conduct this type of trade. Every stocks will be present in their trading value, trading elements. Each type of investment has its own advantage and disadvantage, so it's important to do your research and choose investment that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Okay, and now moves in fourth section, that is diversification. One of the most important principle of investing is diversification. Diversification means spreading your investment across different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estates, as well as different industries and geographical areas or regions. That helps reduce your overall investment risk and can help protect your portfolio during market downturns. Okay, that is most important thing, that is a diversification. And at last we will discuss the section 5 and categories of 5. Investing strategy. That are many different investing strategy you can use depending on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Some popular strategy including values investing, growth investing, and income investing. It's important to choose a strategy that's aligned with your goals and to stick with it over the long term, right? This is the fifth strategy, means ki your portfolio will be very in a very long term. Your vision is very long term, not in short term ki you will just buy a stock XYZ companies and sell tomorrow, okay, yeah, over tomorrow overnight. That is not a way to investing. Such a type of investing, it is not investing, it is a trade, right? So that is our fifth sections. And now we will discuss about the conclusion. What the conclusion of our all these types of 5 categories. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth, right? But it's important to do your research and invest wisely. That means by understanding the stock market, settle clear investing goals, choosing the right investment, diversification your portfolio, and using a sound investing strategy, right, you can increase your chance of success as a beginner investor. Hope you gain knowledge through this video. So thank you for watching this video and happy investing. Thank you.